And now, for the much talked about, truly distinct Keter folding work table. Imagine a workbench so compact and portable, you can bring it from this to this in just 2 seconds. That's right, thanks to its unique patented opening system. All you have to do is grasp the opening on both sides, pull in the release latches, and there you have it. A practical workstation that saves you ample storage space. And it's sturdy enough to hold up to 1,000 pounds or 450 kilograms. You can even store your toolbox on its bottom level, keeping your tools always within hand's reach. But there's more. The unit also includes 2 clamps that can be easily mounted both horizontally and vertically, making it easy to saw, brush, nail, and do just about anything. So there you have it, the distinct heavy-duty Keter folding work table. You really can't get more practical than that.
Keter Do-It-Myself Show.
Remember when you had to smooth out those joists? When you needed to easily fix a stubborn door or make 2 uneven boards flush? Now you can do all this and more with the WIN electric hand planer. The 6-amp motor provides up to 34,000 cuts per minute through even the hardest of woods. While most of our competitors have a maximum depth of 5/64 of an inch, the WIN planer exhibits 16 positive stops in 1/128th inch increments to fine-tune your cuts anywhere up to 1/8 of an inch deep. The WIN electric hand planer also comes with a handy dust collection bag that can be attached to either the right or left-hand side of the planer, an adjustment wrench with onboard storage, a kickstand to protect your blade, a rabbiting guide to help measure the depth of your rabbets, and a parallel fence for making perfectly straight cuts. The base of the plate even has a V-shaped groove to help make chamfering the corners of your wood easier than ever. And if you have a dust extractor, you can plug it right into either side of your unit to maximize the collection of sawdust and keep your work area clean. Remember when you had a reliable planer that gave you years of quality service?
Remember when?
Welcome to WORX on Amazon.
The WORX Pegasus is a versatile work table that can be used as a portable sawhorse or workbench. The Pegasus holds a variety of materials and can support up to 1,000 pounds. It has a storage shelf for tools and supplies when doing projects and comes with 2 quick clamps and 4 clamping dogs to securely hold all of your materials. Whether you're cutting, sanding, painting, staining, or building, the Pegasus is a must-have work table. You can also easily attach a power strip to power through all of your projects. If more workspace is needed, you can expand your work table by linking multiple Pegasus tables together. Its compact design is perfect for easy transport and storage. The WORX Pegasus is a must-have portable work table whether you're a professional contractor or a DIYer. Get yours today.